Are you struggling to make your design stand out? You are wasting hours on boring basic tools that don't cut up. Let me show you 3 revolutionary Canva apps that will save you time and supercharge your designs. The first app I want to present to you is the Type Cutout. This app lets users create high-catching text designs by filling text with images, make it easy to create professional-looking graphics. It's beginner-friendly, ideal for posters, social media, and artwork. I'm going to show you now how to use it. However, it may require some experimentation to get the right look from you. So you open the Canva apps. You search here for Type Cutout. Is this one. Open. And the idea behind is that you use a background image to be linked with the text in order to create stunning visuals for your social media programs. So there is 2 elements mixed together. You have 2 options that use in a new design. You can specify here the custom size, and if you want to use in a whiteboard or an Instagram or in a Facebook, there are plenty of options here. I'm going to use the Instagram post, which is 1080 by 1080. You begin by enter your main text. I'm gonna delete this one default. I'm gonna insert my YouTube channel name. So internet winner, like this. Things you can control. You can control and use any of these fonts here. I'm gonna use accelerator. You click on this left arrow to come back to the previous screen. You can also control the alignment of the text, right, center, or to the right, the line height, and then you will click on this option to upload a background image. Let's use this Halloween image. Wait a few seconds. You will get a message stating it was successfully uploaded. Things you can do now. You can control and manipulate in the edit mode. You can scale the image to change the background image position on the canvas. If you want to grab this orange part, you scale it down, right? So it's really up to you. I'm going to use these 2 green and red colors. Finish editing. You can also use the rotation. Once you are pleased, you simply choose to add to the design. This one. Now we can adjust to the canvas. We can come back and adjust the image. I rather prefer this orange color. Add to design. I delete this, close this up. Let's go to my upload folder. Let's upload this image. There we go. And now let's adjust the layers position. So select the position tab, go to the layers, and now place the text above. What you can do now is to select the image and then reduce the transparency. Something like this. The Canva Shopee Crop app lets users quickly crop images in creative ways, ideal for freelancers needing fast, simple image edits. It's user-friendly and saves time. And this app is especially beneficial for freelancers who need to edit images or create designs for clients, as it simplifies the process. I created this funny graphic design for Halloween season, and I will now show you how I created this with the Canva Shopee Crop app in combination with other Canva apps. And so I'm inside my Canva apps, and once you click it, you get this clean interface broken down by categories. And this tool allows you to crop your image any way you would like. And this means you can easily crop out unwanted areas or alternatively crop your images into funky shapes. You get now 2 options. You get the option to use in an existing design or use in a new design. Let's use in a new design. If you click on the custom design option, you can assign your custom size. You can use pixels, inches, and so forth. And from this extensive drop-down list, you can use one of the multitude of options you can use for a video or a Facebook post or a Facebook cover or Instagram and so forth. There are a lot of options, so make sure you explore all of them in order to fit your own needs. For this video, I'm going to use the Instagram post square 1080 by 1080. Click on it. You get this interface by the Shopee Crop app prompting you to select an image on your design to get started. And so I go to my photos and let's say I want to do a search for bungee jumping. This one. I like this image. And then you adjust the image size by dragging out the handles. There you go. And now to start using, so come back to the app, close this down, apps, your apps, Shopee Crop. And now all you have to do now is to click where you would like to crop the images. So say just I want to use this way, just simply click and you complete by clicking on the first one. Then you will click to add to design. There you have it. Now I don't need this original, so click to delete it. And next up, what I want to do is to delete the background. How do you do this? It's quite simple. You select the image and then from the toolbar to the top, you select background remover, and that's it. Next up, let's add an outline. How do you do this? I show you how. So you click the image to select it, and then from the top toolbar, click on the edit link. Under effects, select shadows, and there you have it. We have here the outline option. So in a matter of 2 clicks away, we have achieved this stunning graphic design. And from this, you can define the size of the outline, the color, and the intensity. That's really up to you. Now let's say I want to add a blur effect. How do you do this? You simply click this option angle, that's right. And from here, you can adjust the blur amount, the rotation, and the intensity. In case we need to make further adjustments, we can now use the curved option. Edit, shadows, and curved. Right. You can adjust from here the distance, the blur amount, the intensity. And what I like to do now is to add glow. It's really easy inside Canvas. You click on the glow and now you adjust the size, the blur amount, and the intensity. That's really cool. And then I placed another background, another Halloween background on top of it. And then I had a text box saying Happy Halloween. And I used the Celandine font. That's it. This one is one of my favorite Canva apps. It's called Font Frame, and the concept is very simple. You add an image background to your text by uploading an image or selecting an image from your design. Then you would change the font, adjust the image placement. Let me show you. This is the app, Font Frame, open app, and now let's change to Internet Winner. In the settings, you can choose from a wide range of fonts. I'm going to use Montserrat with this alignment. The outline color, I go with a white. 40 pixels is fine to me, it works. The color, it should be white. The letter spacing, I want to make it 100 pixels with align space like this. Now come back to the image text. We have to upload the image. You can drag to make an image scale by dragging this slider. And once you are satisfied, just click to head to the design. Close this. Let's add a background color, adjust the position, arrange the layers so that it stays like this. Do you use Canva? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to get more videos like this. Please like the video, it helps me a lot. Take care, see you next time.